The Talking Thomas and Percy is the next episode of Talking. Thomas and Percy were here at the sheds. Percy was planning to get up in the morning and continue to talk. Thomas was very pleased as well, but suddenly
I must go fast. There's no time for delay.
they started talking on their own. One of them derailed. Now both of them derailed. Toddler Hat put them back onto the track, but they were still talking like crazy.
That's my offers. I'm a billionaire.
Thomas was doing the same thing. Oh, even Diesel was talking. They kept saying different things, but couldn't keep up.
I have more jobs to do. I like delivering mail.
Thomas derailed. Percy almost came off the entire track. What? Oh. Diesel arrived. They have been fixed earlier. Look, even Diesel's talking, they said. We can't keep up with talking Diesel. Ah, he's telling us to stop, cried Percy. Why is Diesel talking? They asked. The Topham Hatt arrived. Diesel no longer was talking. Hooray! They're not talking anymore, said Percy. It's back to normal, said Thomas. And so they could continue moving and talk in the morning.